The fighter jet shown in the image is the Boeing F A-18E Super Hornet, a modern multi-role combat aircraft, developed for the United States Navy and widely regarded as one of the most versatile and reliable carrier-based fighter jets in the world. The Super Hornet is an advanced evolution of the original F/A-18 Hornet and was designed to replace several older aircraft types, including the F-14 Tomcat, A-6 Intruder, and earlier Hornet variants by combining air superiority, strike electronic attack and reconnaissance, rolls into a single highly capable platform. Development of the Super Hornet began in the early 1990s when the U.S. Navy required a larger, more powerful, and more survivable aircraft to meet post-Cold War operational demands while maintaining compatibility with aircraft carrier operations. Compared to the original Hornet, the Super Hornet features a significantly redesigned airframe that is about 25% larger, providing increased internal fuel capacity, greater range, improved payload, and enhanced endurance, which are critical for long missions over the ocean. The aircraft uses a twin-engine configuration powered by General Electric F414 turbofan engines, which deliver greater thrust, improved reliability, and better fuel efficiency than previous engines, allowing the Super Hornet to perform demanding carrier launches, supersonic flight, and sustained combat operations with high confidence. The aerodynamic design of the F/A-18E emphasizes stability, control, and agility with features such as leading edge extensions, digital fly-by-wire controls, and reinforced landing gear optimized for catapult launches and arrested landings on aircraft carriers. One of the defining strengths of the Super Hornet is its advanced avionics and sensor suite, which provides exceptional situational awareness to the pilot. The aircraft is equipped with a powerful multi-mode radar system capable of air-to-ground and maritime target detection, tracking, and engagement under all weather conditions. Later variants integrate active electronically scanned array radar technology, which significantly improves detection range, target resolution,